Welcome back to Cooking with Me. I'm me, and I hope that you are you. Today's the big game, and I'm ready for some football, but I'm also ready for some hot wings. But from where? If I order them from Domino's, they'll suck. If I go to Buffalo Wild Wings, I'll have to put on some pants. And if I try to cook them at home, it's just not the same. Until now, because I just bought an air fryer. I got this thing at Costco. It's by Gourmeta and it was $50. I also got some party wings because I like to party. This is a basic hot wing recipe. I add salt and a little bit of olive oil to make it more crispy. You can flip the wings halfway for better results. Now we're ready for the big game. And remember, it don't mean a thing if you ain't got that wang. Wing. I was saying wing with an accent. Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true. Till next time. Till next time.